Hey guys, welcome back to Kali J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how to make your pink salmon fritters. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you turn on your post notification bell so you guys can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Go ahead and tell your friends, tell your family members about Kali J's Kitchen and have them subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, it's KaliKitchen_1, and also on Facebook, it's Kali J's Kitchen. So in a large bowl, I'm going to go in and add some flour. And then I'm going to go in and add some all-purpose seasoning. And guys, you don't have to use the all-purpose seasoning. I'm just adding the all-purpose seasoning for taste. You guys can always go ahead and use some salt. After that, I'm going to go in and add some of my black pepper. And also, I'm going to add some paprika. So, I think it's a little bit, I needed just a little bit more flour. So, I'm going to go in and add just a small amount of flour. Alright? And of course, I'm going to combine all of that dry ingredients together. Again, you always want to ensure that the seasoning, the powdered seasoning, is evenly distributed in the flour. Alright? So now I'm going to go in and add some water, and of course I'm using room temperature water, and I don't want the dough to be too runny or too thick. So what I'm going to do, just ensure that the flour is dissolved properly, and then I chop up some onion and some Scotch bonnet pepper. You guys can always go ahead and add some more of the seasoning like some Escallion and all of that to your fritters, but I'm just using what I have today on me. Alright, so I added the onion, the chopped onion, and the Scotch bonnet pepper, and I had some of the pink salmon that I used yesterday. And if you didn't see yesterday videos, I want you to go and check it out. Yesterday I made some pink salmon with cabbage. Guys, it's so awesome. Go and try that recipe. Alright, so I crushed my salmon, so I'm gonna go in and add it. And of course, you know, we Jamaican, we don't leave anything in the plate, so I'm gonna use some water to just rinse out all of that so that I can get the remainder of the salmon. So while I'm doing this, I have my frying pan on the stove and I added some vegetable oil. I'm going to allow it to heat up until I'm finished making up the batter for my fritters. So now it's time to go in and drop my butter for the fritters. And of course, I'm going to allow this to fry in total 7 minutes on both sides. Alright, or until golden brown, until how you desire it to look. Alright, so if it is that you don't want it to be too golden brown, then you know you can remove it before. Just make sure you monitor your fritters. Alright, so now I'm going to flip them over on the other side. And guys, you want to be really careful because the oil is very hot and you don't want it to splash and burn you. Alright, so try to be careful. So if you like it like that, then you just allow this side to fry and then you remove it. But I like it to be golden brown. So now that my fritters, they're all golden brown, I'm going to remove them. And of course, I'm going to place them on this, whatever you call it. I call it a strainer. I'm going to place it on it and allow the excess oil to drain. So now I'm going to place this to the side, and then I'm going to go in and just drop the rest of the batter and allow it to fry also, and then I'll come back and show you guys the final product of my pink salmon fritters. So stay tuned for all of that. And guys, remember to leave a comment and remember to like and share and tell me what you think. Alright, if you like the recipe, leave a comment, share. Let's get that 4K subscribers. Alright, So this is the final product of my pink salmon fritters, and I really love it. I think the colors, they're really good, and it's so crispy and nice. Guys, this is a must-try recipe. Remember to share, remember to tell a friend, tell a family member about Kylie J's Kitchen, and have them subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you tomorrow for another awesome recipe. Bye.